Are you tired of juggling multiple pans on the stovetop? Struggling to prepare a delicious meal for your family? Imagine having a versatile, spacious, and easy-to-clean electric griddle that takes the hassle out of cooking and delivers mouth-watering results every time. Introducing the Fizix 1600W Electric Griddle, your new kitchen essential that promises to transform your culinary experience. Read on to discover why this electric griddle is the perfect addition to your home and why it's worth every penny. Why choose Fizix 1600W Electric Griddle? 1. Ease of use. The Fizix Electric Griddle is designed with user-friendliness in mind. The dual temperature control dials are easy to navigate, allowing you to set precise temperatures for different cooking zones. The large LCD ensures easy readability, making it simple to monitor your cooking progress. 2. Durability and quality. Crafted with high-quality materials, this griddle is built to last. The non-stick ceramic titanium-coated surface is not only durable but also resistant to scratches and wear. This ensures that your griddle remains in top condition even after prolonged use. 3. Portability. Despite its large cooking surface, the Fizix Electric Griddle is surprisingly portable. It's perfect for those with limited kitchen space or for those who love to cook outdoors. Whether you're taking it on a camping trip or using it for a backyard barbecue, this griddle is easy to transport and set up. 4. Healthier cooking. With its non-stick surface, the Fizix Electric Griddle requires less oil for cooking. This promotes healthier meals and reduces the amount of fat in your diet. Plus, the efficient grease management system collects excess grease, making your dishes less oily and more enjoyable. One of the standout features of the Fizix 1600W Electric Griddle is its dual temperature zone independent control. This innovative design gives you the freedom to cook different foods at varying temperatures simultaneously. Each zone boasts 800 watts of power and an adjustable temperature range from 104 to a sizzling 464 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you're searing steaks on one side while gently cooking pancakes on the other, this griddle ensures perfect results every time. The fast heating function gets you ready to cook in just 8 minutes, making it ideal for busy mornings and impromptu dinner parties. Safety is a top priority with the Fizix Electric Griddle. It's equipped with an internal overheat protection system that automatically shuts off the griddle when it reaches the highest temperature, ensuring a worry-free cooking experience. This feature not only protects your appearance but also gives you peace of mind while cooking for your family. After a delightful meal, the last thing you want is a tedious cleanup process. The Fizix Electric Griddle makes maintenance a breeze with its non-stick pan, detachable grill, stainless steel baffle, drip hole, and large capacity drip tray. These thoughtful design elements work together to ensure that cleaning up is quick and easy. Simply rinse with warm water and detergent, and your griddle will be spotless in no time. Say goodbye to stubborn stains and hello to effortless cleanup. The Fizix Electric Griddle offers a spacious cooking area of 22 inches by 12 inches, perfect for serving up scrumptious meals for 3 to 4 people. Its durable construction ensures it stands firm against deformation, allowing you to cook delicious dishes one after another. Whether you're hosting a family brunch or a casual dinner, this griddle can handle it all with ease. From breakfast to dinner, the Fizix Electric Griddle is your go-to appliance for a variety of culinary creations. Enjoy fluffy pancakes, crispy bacon, gooey grilled cheese, and hearty breakfast spreads. But that's not all. This versatile griddle can also fry up egg cakes, bake pizzas, sear steaks, and grill the juiciest burgers. Its non-stick material promotes healthier cooking with less oil, helping to preserve the natural flavors of your food and keep your meals delicious and satisfying. Conclusion: the Fizix 1600W Electric Griddle is more than just a cooking appliance. It's a game changer for your kitchen. Its dual temperature zones, safety features, ease of use, and versatile cooking capabilities make it a must-have for any home chef. Whether you're cooking for your family or hosting friends, this griddle delivers consistent, delicious results every time. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your cooking experience. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and make the Fizix Electric Griddle a part of your culinary journey today. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.